everyone, so today we are making a super delicious recipe. It's called mango lassi. First time I ever had it was when I went to India, and now I'm hooked on it. I gotta have it every time I have Indian food or anytime I go back to India. Super delicious treat. The recipe for this mango lassi is super simple, but I've changed it slightly to make it dairy-free and sugar-free. So I'm gonna use coconut yogurt instead of traditional yogurt, and I'm also gonna use some natural sweetener other than sugar. I'm gonna use a erythritol stevia blend. It's the Splenda Naturals that I'm gonna try in this today. Now, I've never actually made this recipe, so this will be a recipe review to see if this dairy and sugar-free version of mango lassi is as good as the original. All right, so let's make this recipe. It's super easy. We need 1 cup of mango chunks, and those can be fresh or frozen. It's summertime now, so we've got fresh mangoes and nothing better than in-season fresh fruit. And then you want to put in your 1.5 cups of coconut milk yogurt. And the reason you don't have to add milk to this recipe, because a normal mango lassi recipe is going to require a little bit of milk, is because traditional yogurt tends to be a little bit thicker. But that kind of just pours in there nicely, so I'm not going to add any milk. And then you can use the sweetener of your choice. The official recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of sugar, which is equivalent to 1 of these Splenda Naturals Stevia packets. And then 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, or however you say that. I don't know what it's called. It's literally the only thing I've used it for. Put that guy in there and blend it up. We're gonna put the lid on. Put this guy in there. And that's it, easy as that. Now I forgot to mention, I like to use, when I'm making this, the frozen or slightly frozen mango, because it kind of keeps it cool. But let's see how it tastes. That's actually pretty good, not bad at all. I will say it does have a slightly different taste and texture due to the coconut yogurt, but still a tasty treat. Okay, so when I made this originally, I made it with 1 packet of this Splenda Naturals sweetener, but I added a 2nd packet and I like it a lot better because it has a little bit more sweetness to it. Tastes really good. You know, for a dairy-free, sugar-free alternative, it's actually very tasty and refreshing. I bet if I served this to people, they wouldn't know that it was sugar-free or dairy-free. All right, thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're just making mango lassi for the first time, you get to see what a favorite Indian treat tastes like. If you're from India or live in India and you try this version of the recipe, leave a comment below and give me any tips or insights for the other viewers to make this even taste more authentic, close to the original recipe. All right, everyone, thanks again for joining today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next video. Oh, that's good. That is, I don't know, it tastes pretty good like the authentic recipe once I added the 2 sugar packets, so that is pretty good.